Welcome again to our channel. Today's video takes us on a captivating journey into the world of olive oil and its profound influence on your daily well-being. Brace yourself as we uncover the remarkable effects of incorporating this liquid treasure into your everyday life. Let's start with the heart of the matter, quite literally. Consuming olive oil daily can work wonders for your cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that the monounsaturated fats in olive oil can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol. This powerful combination may lower your risk of heart disease and stroke, keeping your ticker in top shape. But that's not all. Olive oil is great for fighting inflammation. It contains polyphenols, which are strong antioxidants. Antioxidants help prevent or slow cell damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are harmful molecules produced by stress, poor diet, and environmental toxins. Oxidative stress happens when free radicals outnumber antioxidants. This imbalance can damage cells and tissues. Olive oil combats oxidative stress and reduces chronic inflammation. Its anti-inflammatory effects may ease arthritis symptoms and protect against some cancers. Now let's talk about your brain. Olive oil isn't just food for your body, it's brain food too. Regular consumption has been linked to improved cognitive function and may even help protect against age-related cognitive decline. So if you want to stay sharp as you age, adding olive oil to your diet might be a smart move. But wait, there's more! Your digestive system will thank you for that daily dose of olive oil. It can help improve gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in your digestive tract. This not only aids in digestion but also boosts your overall immune system. Talk about a win-win. For those watching their weight, here's some good news. Contrary to what you might think, adding olive oil to your diet could actually help with weight management. The healthy fats in olive oil can increase satiety, helping you feel full and satisfied for longer periods. This could potentially lead to reduced calorie intake throughout the day. Let's not forget about your skin. Olive oil is packed with vitamins E and K, which are essential for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. Regular consumption can help hydrate your skin from the inside out, potentially reducing the signs of aging and giving you that coveted Mediterranean glow. Now you might be wondering, how much olive oil should I consume? While there's no one-size-fits-all answer, many studies suggest that about 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters per day, can provide significant health benefits. You can easily incorporate this into your diet by using it in cooking, drizzling it over salads, or even taking a small amount straight if you're feeling brave. But here's an important note. Quality matters. To reap the maximum benefits, opt for extra virgin olive oil. It's the least processed form and retains the highest levels of beneficial compounds. Look for reputable brands and don't be afraid to invest a little more for quality. Your body will thank you. In conclusion, making olive oil a part of your daily routine can have a profound impact on your overall health. From protecting your heart and brain to improving digestion and skin health, this Mediterranean staple is truly a powerhouse of nutrition. So why not give it a try? Start incorporating olive oil into your daily diet and experience the benefits for yourself. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. Remember, while olive oil is incredibly beneficial, it's just one part of a healthy lifestyle. Pair it with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and good sleep habits for the best results. However, it's important to consume olive oil in moderation as part of a balanced diet, as it is still calorie-dense. Please subscribe to our channel for more health tips. And if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family so they can benefit too. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.